Hi, this is Dwaipan Sarkar from Sapasat Analytics, and we provide data engineering, data science, and data visualization as a solution to the clients who wants to gain insights and maximize their profit and values from the data.
So, one of our clients, who was from the west coast of USA, had a requirement for a project that mainly focused on BI implementation. The main challenge for them was that since they were a retail management company, they have years of data accumulated in the database. Our task was to provide a dashboard that should provide easy and actionable solutions that otherwise would have been tedious to dig in from the years of data of accumulation. The architecture of the project was as follows. We had to log into the MySQL database of the client and make the query from there and paste it in Power BI so that we could develop visuals. The project scope was as follows. The ingestion of data should be from MySQL and loaded in Power BI to create visuals that would provide insights. And the dashboard should have been categorized on sales, traffic, and marketing data that would provide details on that. The dashboard should be insightful of the information and would be categorized like week over week, month over month, and year over year sales and marketing data as required. Also, we developed KPIs, that is, key performance indicators, that would indicate the critical information at a glance. Also, we analyzed the trend over the past years that would provide a scope of improvement wherever necessary. After that, we provided documentation and support as per our statement of work. The project schedule was divided into 5 weeks, where we divided the main tasks into subtasks and we worked on as follows. So, going into a bit of technical details, we queried our desired columns and the aggregations from MySQL database that gives us a table like this. Then we copied this query in the Power BI dashboard and where we applied different graphs and visualizations like this. For example, in the months to date and years to date trend analysis, we used line graphs for comparison with the current year and the previous year. Whereas for the month over month and week over week comparisons, we used bar graphs that was more distinct. Some key features that is unique in this dashboard is we implemented bookmarks for the different metrics so that the client does not have the need to change to different pages or create different dashboards for each metrics. Also, we used indicator arrows that changes with the up and down of the percentage change. For example, since the percentage change is negative now, it is showing downward and red. But when the percentage will be positive, it will show upward and green. Another dashboard we made was for the marketing data that gave us different metrics on ad sales and impression versus clicks. For example, the client wants to know how much they have spent on any advertisement and how much sales was due to that advertisement. So these graphs give that trend line on the ad sales and ad spend, and also it gives the ad distribution over a marketplace. These are the few metrics that is related to impressions and clicks. For example, how much impressions that have been created on their page and how much clicks has been turned from that impressions, and finally what is the conversion rate of that impressions and clicks. These are few metrics like CTR and CPC, that is cost per acquisition, and the click through rate that will help the client to gain more insights on what needs to be improved and where. So, this is how we help the client in gaining information and insights from the years of data that they have accumulated. Thank you for your time and watching.